There's a lot of negative talk about Ethereum in the news, and the sentiment is pretty low. But at the same time, the technicals are looking pretty bullish, and there are some major macro events that could theoretically make Ethereum push quick. But before we get into this, none of this is financial advice. I'm not paid by the Ethereum team in any way, and I am currently invested in Ethereum at the making of this video. Now, a lot of people have been calling this slow and boring and all the negative things because it hasn't been performing like some of the other projects like Doge, XRP, so on and so forth. There's a few things that I think personally are staggering. Ethereum, one of them, is all the negative sentiment. People want to push Vitalik out. They don't know what's going to be happening with leadership. The institutions aren't getting staking. It's still stuck in the SEC securities alleged list. And quite frankly, some people just don't think that 3x is enough of a gain for them. Me personally, I do think that Ethereum could get to the 8 to 10K range somewhere in the 2025 span, especially once we really get into an altcoin season. We see Bitcoin dominance pull down and we see some of that money distribute into the total 2 and total 3 charts. We could see Ethereum reap those benefits. Now, one of the major issues with Ethereum is going to be its gas fees. And I think that this partnership and what's going on right now with Circle could be a big game changer for Ethereum moving forward. Now, I've always talked very highly about Circle or USDC. I talk about how I think that they're going to become the stable coin of choice. And you can back that up through my videos all the way back to 2021. I do talk about Circle a lot. Now, right now, Circle is launching Paymaster so that gas fees can be paid in USDC. Paymaster is currently available on Arbitrum and Base, which are both layer 2 solutions for Ethereum. And this is just going to be the start. They plan on bringing this over to Ethereum, Polygon, and Solana. And that's just the beginning, to name a few. But what this potentially can do is alleviate the gas fees that are on Ethereum. There's a lot of push for stablecoin use as well. I know a lot of people are very bullish on RLUSD, which is Ripple's stablecoin, but I personally believe in Circle a little bit more. And I think that this could be a major player because it's already approved by a lot of the major banks in the US. But as this pushes to Ethereum, as you can imagine, this could really benefit the Ethereum ecosystem as a whole. If you're looking at this from a trading perspective, we're in a bullish crossover on the daily time frame. We're holding LRC support as well. We're just waiting for this bearish wedge to play out, or a downtrending wedge, however you want to describe it. But we are getting into the golden pocket. We did get a liquidity test into the epic golden pocket, which is really good to see. But so far, support holds have all been in the standard golden pocket. And on the MACD, we're starting to see an inflow of momentum. And it is heavily oversold, so there's plenty of room to the top side. Same with the CCI. You're almost seeing a divergence where you're seeing higher lows on the CCI and the MACD, and you're seeing lower lows on price action, which would be a regular bullish divergence. If you're comparing this low, which is the start of the Fibonacci, to this point over here as well, you'll also be able to see a hidden bullish divergence, which means you're going to get higher lows on price action and you're going to get lower lows on the MACD. And at that same time, volume is also going to be inflowing, which is going to be confluent with what we're seeing with price. But yeah, all in all, I am pretty bullish on Ethereum. I do think it's going to do well. I think it's a sleeping giant. People just don't like projects that aren't pumping or making them money. So if it's not making them money, people think it sucks or that it's boring. But whenever the beast does turn on and decides to start pumping in the upward direction, it's really going to be when we break this range high from 2024 and 2025, which is going to be around the 41.18 range. That's when we can actually break out and start to potentially test the all-time high, which is going to be at 48.40. And then once we break that point, then you're going into price discovery mode and the sky is the limit. If you want to come trade with me or get access to the EPIQ Trading Floor, you can click that link above or click the link in the description. It also comes with a 3-day risk-free trial, so you can get access to everything for free for 72 hours. And you'll also be able to see all of my short-term and long-term trades. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section. If you're not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. It'll be greatly appreciated. And I really do appreciate everyone. Thank you so much for helping us break 50,000 subscribers. It means the world to me. I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, and I will see you on the next video.